Wow, this year is flying by. Things at Precision Capital and our funds are just doing great. I'm happy to report we've actually got a workshop coming up. We did this last year and we had a huge interest in it. It's how to invest with a self-directed IRA. Whether you invest in the Precision Capital, which is of course what we hope you do, but like I have a self-directed IRA, I invest in real estate. You can do all sorts of things that a traditional IRA can't do. So for a self-directed IRA, there's all sorts of different rules and that type of thing. So we're having a class on that. The class is going to be June 5th. It's in Eugene at venue 252, which is a really cool place. We rent the room there. There should be an email coming across the bottom of the screen right now. If you just give that, just touch that email and Pam and Darcy will get you down on the list for that class. It's going to be about an hour and 15 minutes. We'll have a great lunch and learn a little bit more about those IRAs. We'll have people there to answer your questions about them, specifically give you information to the third-party vendor. It used to be that they were this weird thing that nobody did, only the super rich do, but now regular people like us can do it. So if you'd like to learn more about that, whether you're an existing investor, a new investor, want to bring a friend or whatever, we'd love to have you. That again is on June 5th at venue 252 in Eugene, and just RSVP below. Hope to see you there.